Today I am making a soft, fluffy homemade white bread loaf. Simple ingredients, easy steps, and a perfectly golden crust. Let's get baking. First of all, I have taken 250 ml of warm milk. The temperature should be between 105 to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Now I am going to add 50 gram of sugar, 11 gram of active dry yeast, and I am going to mix it well and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets foamy. Now I am going to add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 60 gram of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 500 gram of flour, and I am going to sift it. Now I am going to make dough using the mixer. Dough is ready now. Now I am going to brush bowl with oil and I am going to transfer this dough into it. Now I am going to apply some oil on top. And cover and let it sit for 1 hour. 1 hour later, dough has been fermented well. Now I am going to punch down dough using soft fist. Now I am going to dust flour on the table. Now I am going to transfer dough on the table and I am going to make it flat. Now I am going to roll it and I am going to shape into loaf and I am going to transfer it into bread mold and let it rise for 45 to 60 minutes. Now I am going to break 2 eggs and I am going to whisk it well. Now I am going to add 15 ml of milk and I am going to whisk it well. Now I am going to apply egg wash on top. And I am going to bake it 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Now 35 minutes is over. Now I am going to make it cool down. Now I am going to slice bread loaf. And there you have it, our soft, fluffy homemade white loaf. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Chef Bimal Kitchen. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next recipe. Happy baking!